Namaskar Mahra. Birchhus Sridhar Bhatt Alekh from Bangalore. Birchhus Varai. I started studying Kashmiri language in Devanagari medium from December 12th, 2020. I am very happy to say Kashur Parun Chuna Mushkil. Daf Kal Gatsi Asan. It was a great experience in learning a new subject, a language. I congratulate the convener and mentor of the online workshop, Shivani ji, for having arranged and conducted the classes regularly. I am thankful to Shri M.K. Raina Sahab who taught the language in a systematic way by providing the PDF of the subject materials and audios for proper and authenticate learning. I am happy to say that I have not missed any class. I attended all the 16 classes till April 3rd, 2021. I agree that my knowledge in this language is limited being a South Indian, and I hope I keep practicing with the help of the materials provided by Raina sir. In Sanskrit there is a quote, Arabdham Uttamajanaha na parityajanti, means the noble people never stop any good work started by them and they continue doing that until the goal is reached. I want to quote from Swami Vivekananda ji, Uttishtata Jagrata Prapya Varan Nibodhata, means arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Thank you. Sarvebhyo Namaha.